Hello, this screencast is to show you how to enable gestures on the drawer project we did before. So the first thing is to open the drawer project and to add a gesture manager here. This is a standard process for every time you want to enable some gesture. You need to add this component. And then what what we are going to do is to add those gestures to the panel 1. This is the content area I have. So the goal is when the user swipes to the right, this panel is moved to the right, and when it is the user swipes to the left, this panel is moved to the left also. So the first thing is to assign the gesture manager component to the touch gesture manager property, and then to select here which gestures this component is going to answer or to listen to. So in this case we are going to listen to the left and to the right gestures. This corresponds to this gesture and to this one. The next thing is to write code to react to those gestures. So for that we generate a gesture event, and here is just a matter of react to this. So event info gesture ID. So every time a gesture is executed, this event is fired. And what we are going to do here is for the gesture SGI right, we are going to do something, and for the gesture left we are going to do a different thing. Remember this code we had for swiping to the right and to the left the panel, the content area. When the button is clicked, we are going to refactor this a bit more, so we isolate the swiping of the panel. I'm going to create swipe right, set your swipe left, then generate this. So what I'm going to do here is the swipe left. I'm expecting the panel to be in this position, so what I have to do is to simply do this. So only I'm going to swipe to the left if the position of the panel is at the right, and for swiping to the right I'm going to do the same thing, but only if the position is 0. So the start value is 0 and the end value is target X. And now I'm going to refactor this. Actually I can remove this variable also. X is 0, and I click the button. I'm going to swipe right, and else I can swipe to the left. Okay. Actually I have refactored this and isolated the code that actually swipes to the right and to the left. And here is just a matter of swipe right and swipe left. Okay. So this is the code. This is what I had to add, simply this, and I have refactored the previous code I have for swiping to the left and to the right. Let's test this to see how it works. I have everything already set up. Okay, so let's run and see if it's actually working. So first I'm going to check how the old code works. So clicking here works as expected by swiping to the right and to the left. Now I'm going to test the gestures. Okay, this is the gesture. I don't know if you can see it properly. Sorry. Here. Okay. Okay. So actually I'm performing the swiping using my mouse on the simulator. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. and we provide components and properties to do all this with minimal code. So this is it. Thanks for watching.